Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you all how I got this fringe bang cut in this closure wig. So if you're interested in how I did it, definitely stay tuned. So the hair that I'll be using in this video comes from Ula Hair Company. This is an actual wig that I was sent. Along with my wig, I did receive loads and loads of goodies. I got a heat resistant comb, and if you're a hairstylist, you know how important that is. Some cute little clips, mink lashes, a wig cap, and their information card. Now, along with all of these goodies, here was the most important goodie, the actual wig. I was surprised to see that it actually came with an adjustable band. Of course, I like to use a different type of band, so I removed that band out of the wig. The wig is 30 inches in length, and it's super full. It's 200% density, so that is about equivalent to 4 bundles of hair. Now, just because the wig is 30 inches, it does not necessarily mean that the closure is going to be 30 inches as well. I'm going to say that this closure is about 18 to 20 inches long, but I'm examining the closure a tad bit because compared to a regular 4x4 closure, it is on the smaller side, as you guys can see. And the lace itself is a darker shade of brown, but due to the scarcity of lace nowadays, that was to be expected. But you know, your girl makes do with what she has. So I went ahead and I straightened the wig, and I also bleached the knots on the closure, and I added my own adjustable elastic band to make this wig glueless. Now, initially when I made plans for this wig, I wanted to have a center part hairstyle, which is what I'm starting to do here, but because the closure is on the smaller side, I kind of didn't like the fact that the part that I made was short. So you guys are gonna see what I do here because I'm literally trying to make it work. I just cannot stand the fact that the part is it's shorter than what I'm used to. And you know your girl is a closure girl. So I work with 4x4 closures a lot, but I just couldn't deal with the fact that my part was so short. So I am going to take my hot comb. Y'all see me trying to act like I'm happy, but I'm not. I was like, I'm not gonna go out like no sucker. Let me make sure that I actually love this wig and I'm not just doing a video just to do it, because I do end up wearing hair that I'm sent, just FYI. So if I don't like it, I'm gonna let you guys know. But as you guys can see here, I'm using the hot comb to kind of help me bring hair into the front, which is going to create my bang. And yeah, so I got all the hair that I'm going to use for the bang, and I'm going to make a center cut, and this is pretty much the cut that's going to start my bangs. I don't like bangs that are super full and dense. I know a lot of my customers and clients like fuller bangs, and that's okay, but personally for me, I like natural looking bangs, and that's what I like to give myself. And I have a ton of videos on how I cut fringe bangs if you want more of an in-depth like tutorial. I'll link the playlist down below for you guys if you're interested. But now your girl is actually in love with the wig. It is fall. It's fall now, so bangs, I could get away with them now. So that's why I decided to do them. And the closure itself, this is the first time I ever used a closure that didn't have untamable flyaways. Like, the closure is bomb, even though the hair itself, like the wig, it sheds a lot. Gotta put that out there. But overall, I did end up loving the wig. I'll link it down below if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.